Count Corla, I would first like to address information which I placed on the Dáil record last week relating to an incident where a Sinn Féin representative sent inappropriate text messages to a young person. It was then my understanding that the young person was 17 years of age because of the information provided on his application form when he applied to join Ógra Sinn Féin. That information was wrong. The young person themselves have made clear that he was in fact 16 at the time. So I want Count Corla to correct the Dáil record to reflect that he was in fact 16 years of age when these texts were sent. I have now written to the young person and his mother offering a full, unequivocal and sincere apology. What happened to this young person was wrong. Niall Ó Donnghaille's behaviour was unacceptable, utterly inappropriate, and no young person should have experienced that. And I am also very sorry for the hurt that my words caused in the statement that I issued following his resignation. That was never ever my intention, and I apologise to that young person for issuing that statement. Gur magat, Count Corla.